Hi, it's Shelley from Best Buy's Plugin Blog, and this week we are testing out all things Osmo. Today I'm going to take a look at the Osmo Genius Kit and the Osmo Creative Kit. Both of these systems are the base systems for all of the extra attachments that you see here. The first Osmo base kit we're going to take a look at is the Osmo Creative Kit. This is everything that you get in the Creative Kit, minus the iPad, of course. Setting up the Osmo base Creative Kit is actually really easy. All you have to do is pick up your iPad and pick up the red, it's a mirror attachment that attaches to the top of the iPad. So you put your iPad in the base and you add the mirror attachment to the top of the iPad. Once you've done that, all you have to do is download the apps. So the first Osmo app that we're going to play with in the Osmo Creative Kit is Monster. Monster is sort of your intro to Osmo. To get it started, all you have to do is hit English. And it will ask you if you'd like to use your creative board, and you say yes. And it shows you how to attach the base to the creative board. So we've got it all set up. And it automatically senses when you do the right thing. And then you can play with Monster.
Hello, new friend. I'm Mo. What's your name? Pleased to meet you. Welcome to the land of imagination and my monster house. It's a little empty now, but with your help, we can fill it up. To create something here, you need to draw something down there. Let's give it a try. Draw a balloon. Draw it down there, then tap here when it's ready.
So you have to take your markers out of the included carrying case and you draw a balloon with Mo. This is just an example of some of the many games you can play with Mo. You can decorate his room, you can do almost anything.
Okay, now to pull it in. Stand back and cross your fingers.
Another game that's included with the Osmo Creative Base Kit is Newton. You can play either bounce or roll. Let's try bounce. So you select your level. So they are only, my kids have only got to level 2 so far. And as you can see, my daughter's hand is on the screen as she draws. Roll is a similar game. Last but not least, we have Osmo Masterpiece. This is a really cool game. So first you hit Start Drawing. And it teaches you to draw. The gallery includes animals, thank you cards, creative boards, medieval, food, nature, and even Osmo friends. So let's pick a creative board. So let's draw the dinosaur. All right, so we're ready to draw. Okay. So as you can see, Osmo mimics it shows your hand on the screen, and as you're tracing, you're learning to draw. You don't have to use the drawing board with Masterpiece. You can actually use paper, so then you can have your images once they're done. You can put them on your fridge. You can do anything with them. If you want more detail, you can adjust the lines. All you have to do is drag your finger back and forth across the screen, and the lines will become more defined. When you're drawing in Masterpiece, it will also record your video. So right now, video recording is enabled, and it will record a 20-second video of your drawing. You can also add a watermark, and it will allow you to edit emails that you can share your drawings with. The time-lapse video shows exactly how you drew it. Now Osmo saves your image so that you always have it digitally. And you can share it via email, or you can publish it to the Osmo gallery.
Beautiful.
So this time in Masterpiece, we're going to import one of our own actual physical objects into Masterpiece so that it will add the lines and we can draw it. So all you have to do is hit the draw button. And it doesn't take very long. And there we have our chicken. So you can change the lines to make it easier to trace or harder to trace. And you can change the ink, adjust it, so that's it is exactly how you want it to be when you trace it. The next base kit we're going to take a look at is the Osmo Genius Kit. The Osmo Genius Base Kit comes with 5 hands-on games that you can try and play with your kids. It comes with Tanagram, numbers, words, and it also has Masterpiece and Newton, just like the Osmo Creative Base Kit. We're going to start by taking a look at Osmo Tanagram. Tanagram is a virtual puzzle building game. So just like you would just like your kids would play with wooden puzzles, you can play with puzzles right on Osmo Tanagram. So first you hit play. And then you take your blocks out of the box.
Hello! Welcome to Tangram. Choose a level to start your journey.
So we're going to choose easy, just because that's where you normally start with a new Osmo game. And you follow.
Flip that orange piece.
You follow the instructions on the screen. And as you can see, every time my son moves a block, Osmo knows that he's moving that block. And if he doesn't get it right away, it will show him what's off.
Just one more piece.
And because he did it all right, he gets a check mark.
You scored some gems.
And some gems. The next Osmo game we're going to try is Osmo Numbers. So my kids have been playing with Osmo Numbers, and they've unlocked quite a few achievements. So let's click on Next and see where it takes us. So every time it highlights a number, you add that number up with your dice. And that's how you pass into new levels. Everything is picked up by the camera, so you don't have to tap the screen ever with Osmo, you can just play. Next up we're going to try Osmo Words. So, in this game, you get to guess and spell hidden words with your tile.
Good to see you. I know this one. Hey, go Mo. I wonder. I go Mo. I wonder.
So it's almost like Wheel of Fortune. You guess the word, but this time you're playing against Mo, who's pretty quick.
You got me. I can't wait to play. I wonder. Aha! Got it. I wonder. Hey! I almost got that. I wonder. V. Yay! I wonder. L. Nice one!
That's it for my review of the Osmo Genius Kit and the Osmo Creative Kit. For my full written review, you can visit Best Buy's plugin blog. Thanks for watching.